So tonight, Sabita, Heather, and I are gonna go out and have some drinks to discuss what we're gonna do. When it comes to big decisions, us girls always consult each other, so we're gonna have a drink and we're gonna talk about this. I know you like Henry.
I do.
What's
I do
up?
like it. I don't know if I'm silly to actually even think like this is gonna go anywhere, but I've been having such a good time that I don't really want it to end, and I might actually invite him. I might invite him to come to Alaska with me. I really like him. First impressions are lasting, first of all. And my first impression of him was a really good one. It'd be great if I invited him and see if he could actually hang with me. This is such a difficult decision to make, honestly.
What do you think
That's a good
Harris would
point.
say? Would you want him to come to Alaska?
I don't know. I like Harris, and I feel like there could be something special there, but
There is no but.
I still feel like I need to think about it. This is a really big step. I have a kid, like I have a lot on the line, and he doesn't even know about Darian.
Right.
I came down here for the real thing. I really want the real thing. I feel like I still don't really know.
My plan is to try to take as many people back to Alaska as I possibly can, but we don't really have that kind of time. With Steve and I, we've just met, but it seems like things are moving like kind of fast. I like Steve. He has these like sausage thing going on the back of his neck that I just want to like tickle. I'm gonna ask him if he wants to come back. I don't see why it's too fast for me to ask him if he still wants to spend more time with me, whether it be here in Miami or maybe even back in Alaska.